Hey guys, here's a few things to consider when planning an outdoor barbecue space. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So the client wanted a barbecue space integrated within their new deck we built for them. So here we did design and build the pergola for them to provide coverage, but I'll talk a bit about the options that went into the barbecue space itself. So first off is choosing your barbecue. You can choose either a built-in or integrated barbecue or a freestanding model, which we had here that we built. We kind of retrofit to work in this built-in scenario, provided some flexibility for the client, and it was their preference. So within the cabinetry, there's a few different options out there available in the marketplace. These happen to be a custom-built product. We got them by Iconic Cabinets. It's a PVC cabinet, so it's fully weather-resistant. The one thing to be concerned about, however, is melting. It is PVC. So to mitigate that, we've installed these nice decked-in countertops. So decked-in is a heat-resistant countertop surface. So we've run that down kind of as a waterfall edge on either side of the barbecue that helps as a heat deflector to help protect the PVC cabinetry, but it also creates a nice design detail. This decked-in product is great. It's nice and thin, a nice, elegant, modern look. We've also then retrofit what used to be the side burner from the freestanding barbecue into the countertop, moved the control over and integrated it right into the cabinetry. So it's a nice custom finish here. Works great. We've got a matching cover that we place over top of this for the winter months and when there's rain to keep and protect the barbecue from the elements. Over on this side, we do have some standard features you'd expect to see in a kitchen. We have a nice pull-out garbage and recycling station. There's ample storage in here. So it's something to just plan it for your use based on how much you plan to cook and entertain from this space. And then for power, we have a nice little pop-up receptacle here, USB chargers, and when you don't need them, it slides away out of space, nice and watertight. So overall, it's a great space, very functional, looks beautiful, but a few things to think about when you're designing it because there are options and not all of them might fit your needs. If you have questions about your outdoor barbecue space, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great one.